as former DP Gachagua has the court decide on his impeachment. Today is billed as the final intervention to save Rigathi Gachagua from impeachment after Tuesday's decision by a three-judge bench. Actually, today's decision by a three-judge bench is do or die for the impeached deputy president. That is Justice Eric Ogola, who leads the bench alongside Justice Anthony Mrima and Justice Firda Mugambi. They're expected to rule on whether he can vacate or extend conservatory orders restraining the assumption of orders by Kithuri Kindiki.
And of course, as we know, Kithuri Kindiki has been nominated by as deputy president, which was approved by the National Assembly on Friday. This is after High Court judges Chacha Mwita from Milimani and Richard Mwongo from Kerugoya issued conservatory orders staying the implementation of the resolution passed by the Senate, removing Gachagua from office by way of impeachment and restraining the assumption of office by Professor Kindiki. And of course, Mariam, during Mashujaa Day, we saw Kindiki receiving our president. It was actually a peculiar sight simply because it had just been shy of a day or two from the actual impeachment in Senate. And of course, there were attempts by Attorney General Dorcas Oduor to have the orders vacated. Of course, to have the orders vacated were dismissed by the judges, the three judges, and instead ordered an inter-parties hearing on Tuesday, that is today.
That's right. Now, the DCI has also summoned Rigathi Gachagua over his claims that there were attempts on his life. During a press conference after being released from hospital, the deputy president said that there were attempts on his life previously through poisoning. He spoke on Sunday after being discharged from Karen Hospital and claimed, he says, quote, "I don't feel safe. On August 30th, undercover police in Kisumu entered my room and one of them tried to poison my food, but we detected it and were able to escape."
And of course, in his words, on 3rd September, in Nyeri, NIS, that is the National Intelligence Service, officers came to Nyeri and tried to poison food belonging to me and Kikuyu elders. I reported the matters to NIS and asked the officers assigned to my office to leave after attempts to assassinate me failed. The impeachment motion was immediately hushed, end of quote. And of course, in a letter on Monday, the DCI has summoned do I call him former? Or till the courts decide?
For now, I guess he has been impeached.
He has been impeached.
I don't know what's actually
Let's
the right
say embattled DP.
Yes.
Yeah. And because they say it's serious allegations, you can't just make it easy on a statement that has been leveled, on a statement that has been released by a man of his stature. And I believe that he has a good bargain on that. Well, if there is evidence, pia kutakuwa ni vizuri, by the way. And of course, we hear that he had to switch up his chefs in the kitchen to make sure that mambo iko sawa. And of course, this seems like that story of same script, different cast.
Yeah.
Deputy presidents and vice presidents have always had an issue with their number one, but this one, the flipping of the coin was too high.